quickly I will tell you, because you need to know about this, about wellness. This pharmaceutical company giant sitting, brainstorming, hey, we must develop a chemical that people should take every day. And not sick people, healthy people must take. So that our business will grow. So what did they do? They did all their tricks and finally they wanted to create a fear. So they thought, find something in the body which we can study and use that to create the fear. So they studied people who take heart problems in US, cardiovascular problems. Drunkards and smokers, mainly. Studied them and they created a story. Hey, this cholesterol is the culprit, cause heart problems. Create a fear. Create the fear and create the chemical. So cholesterol was blown out of proportion as a contributing factor for cardiovascular disorder. And then Coca-Cola, all the drugs came in. Today their sales is 80 billion US. See how they marketed fear. Why I'm showing this is, in wellness, you create good fear, not the wrong fear. The good fear is, if you don't take care of your biochemical balance, apart from your energy and mind, you will end up with all kinds of illness. That is the catchword. And we are not treating them. So in network marketing, this good fear must be created so that people will be proactive, forecaring, So that must go through a system of knowledge transmission, through all the latest technology from social networking to whatever ways you do, your system of business knowledge. So that this goes to the people, the chemicals are balanced, they remain healthy for a long time. Health is what people really want. They don't want medicine, they want health. They don't want medicine. I tell you, I want medicine people. We work on drugs. You think people like to go to the hospital and take the drug, happy, go eat like that? Actually, no, they eat with ayo. Half of them just fed up. So we want something you take, you don't get dengue, you don't get flu so often, you're healthy, you're energetic, your immune system is boosted, and you can measure your health. How many times I went to clinic? I've never been to clinic. Because I'm taking all this. Hawk is younger than me, huh? Hawk? Yeah. I'm older than him, I'm 60, going 61. So, 6 years no flu, record, For me, record, I don't know that. So, when it comes to wellness, if we can create this, it's a big business. But it's tough because you have to create the information and educate people. It's not like energy, balancing these waves and all that, not like that. This is biochemical balance. There is some facts and figures and, convincing to do a bit. Okay? Let's go to the products. That's why one doctor told me, hey, what are you using all kitchen items? Petty thinking. See, it's a tree. I'm dealing with 36 trees, you're dealing with paracetamol. What's the difference? You see, the word Spectra itself is it speaks. As bio, life, spectra is spectrum of nutrients. So natural nutrition, food nutrition. This is what it is. Keyword. Biochemical balance and its direct relation to the body cell. So the seeds provide all the chemicals needed balance the body and to provide optimum health. You can try for 1 year yourself and see how many times you go to the clinic for food. This is a mother, balancer of body. Then we have other things, right? About this. So this is actually the diagram showing that human being is energy, mind and body. The modern medicine works on the body and illness. They never work as much as they should have worked on wellness. 5% of the budget for wellness, 95% budget for illness. That's why we have 6-star hospitals everywhere. We don't even have 1-star wellness centers. And 95% of the people need wellness. Spectra Plus is the main one. It has more than 10,000 biochemicals, 9 main seeds and 27 traces of seeds. Comparative superiority. Comparative superiority means you compare all other nutritional products, the so-called top-notch products. How do we assess the health worthiness of a product? That is actually the job of every one of you. What system you use to assess the product is better or worse? It's the spectrum. How many antioxidants? How many amino acids? How many enzymes? How many cofactors? How many minerals? How many trace elements? How many coenzymes? How many other important bioactive chemicals? That spectra is the standard. If you have more than 7,000 to match us, then you have a near ideal product. And biospectra is a near ideal product. This is scientific basis of that. So, continuity, optimum concentration, continuity of physiological analysis is vital for preventing illness. This is the fear. This is fear. Illness is fear. You are scared to become ill. Do you want to become a diabetic? No. Please, Lord God, I don't want to be diabetic so early in my life. Correct or not? Inside, they are telling, oh, I see one diabetic. They cut really. My God, come on. Fear. Illness gives fear. This fear we have to prevent by this knowledge. It may not be the best, but it's a very good combination. And my research, and John is here today to testify to that. He's the one I gave him a thesis to do. John will come and tell quickly about this. 5 minutes, John. Dr. John is from Nigeria. Nigerians, we all are scared sometimes, they're very unruly and all that. But he's a church goer and he's a fine fellow, he's an MBBS doctor. He came with a serious problem. Don't know how he landed in my center. After he got treated, he got well. He said, I'm not leaving this center until and unless I've studied what you are doing here. I want to bring it to Africa. So we will call John quickly to tell his experience about this product. Come.